Imagine whipping up crispy, golden French fries without a drop of oil, baking a perfectly melted 12-inch pizza, or toasting 6 slices of bread to golden perfection, all from one sleek countertop appliance. This Black+Decker Crisp N Bake 6-slice digital air-fry toaster oven is a game-changer for home cooks who crave versatility, speed, and healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a small space dweller, this appliance delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Why this toaster oven stands out? The Black+Decker Crisp N Bake isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a multitasking marvel that combines the functionality of an air fryer, toaster, and oven into one compact stainless steel beauty. With AirFry Technology, it uses high-intensity hot air to crisp up your favorite foods without the guilt of extra oil. Its 8 digital cooking functions – bake, toast, air fry, bagel, broil, pizza, keep warm, and reheat – make it a versatile powerhouse for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Plus, its large capacity fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, perfect for feeding a family or hosting a small gathering. What sets this toaster oven apart is its 5 heating elements powered by Calrod and quartz technology, delivering meals up to 2x faster than traditional ovens. The touch-activated digital control panel ensures precision, letting you tweak time, temperature, and shade settings effortlessly. And with dishwasher-safe accessories like the AirFry basket and bake broil pan, cleanup is as easy as the cooking itself. Key features that make cooking a breeze. AirFry technology for healthier meals. Craving fried chicken or tater tots? This toaster oven uses high-intensity hot air to achieve that deep-fried crunch without excess oil, cutting calories while preserving flavor. 8 digital cooking presets. From toasting bagels to roasting veggies or reheating leftovers, the one-touch digital controls make it easy to select the right mode for any dish. Large capacity for family meals. With room for a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, it's ideal for small to medium-sized families or meal preppers. Fast cooking with 5 heating elements. Powered by 750 watts, the Calrod and quartz heating elements cook meals up to 2x faster, saving you time on busy weeknights. Dishwasher-safe accessories. The included airfry basket, bake, broil pan, and rack are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Sleek stainless steel design. Its modern look blends seamlessly into lube of a kitchen, and the drop-down door with a durable glass window lets you monitor your food without losing heat. Precision control with digital display. The touch-activated panel lets you fine-tune settings for perfect results every time, whether you're air-frying wings or baking cookies. Benefits that elevate your cooking experience. This toaster oven isn't just about features, it's about transforming how you cook. Here are the top benefits. Healthier cooking. Without compromise. AirFry technology delivers crispy, delicious results with little to no oil, making it easier to enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Time-saving efficiency. With meals cooking 2 times faster, you'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your food or relaxing with family. Versatility for every meal. From breakfast bagels to dinner roasts, the 8 cooking functions handle it all, reducing the need for multiple appliances. Easy maintenance. The external crumb tray and dishwasher-safe accessories make post-cooking cleanup a breeze even after messy meals. Space-saving design. Its compact footprint fits on any countertop, making it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or dorms. Who is this toaster oven? Perfect for? The Black+Decker Crisp N Bake is ideal for busy families. Feed up to 6 people with ease, from quick breakfasts to hearty dinners. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried foods with less oil, perfect for those watching their calorie intake. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits in apartments, dorms, or cozy kitchens without sacrificing capacity. Meal prep enthusiasts. Batch-cook pizzas, casseroles, or snacks for the week, with its large capacity and fast cooking times. Tech-savvy home chefs. The digital controls and presets make precision cooking accessible to everyone, from beginners to pros. Why you should buy now. The Black+Decker Crisp N Bake 6-slice digital air-fry toaster oven is a versatile, time-saving, and health-conscious addition to any kitchen. Its ability to air-fry, bake, toast, and more, combined with a user-friendly digital interface and dishwasher-safe accessories, makes it a no-brainer for anyone looking to simplify meal prep while enjoying delicious, crispy results. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.